Stone Floor Cleaning Esher by Fabritec Stone Care. Are you tired of feeling like you're fighting a losing battle against your natural stone floors? You've tried everything from scrubbing to mopping, but nothing seems to get them clean. It's time to stop the frustration and start searching for a solution. When it comes to restoring the natural beauty of your stone surfaces, Fabritec Stone Care is your knight in shining armor. Don't settle for mediocre cleaning services that only scratch the surface. With Fabritec Stone Care, you'll get a level of attention to detail that's unmatched in the industry. Our team works tirelessly to remove even the toughest stains and restore your floors to their original beauty. So if you're tired of searching for a reliable stone floor cleaning service, look no further than Fabritec Stone Care. We'll leave your floors looking so clean, you'll want to eat off of them, but we don't recommend it. Get an estimate for stone and tile cleaning and restoration. Call 0779860860 now.